Hi, welcome back. It's Mrs. Walburn again, and we need to continue looking at Essay 1 assignment preparations and suggestions, and I'm scrolling down to the bottom. We last left off, we were talking about how to improve the thesis. To improve the above thesis, the student would want to answer the question, so what? Here's a possibility for revision. While the imagery of freedom in one story contrasts sharply with the imagery of imprisonment in the other, Chopin and Gilman use similar protagonists and settings to convey a shared theme. In any marriage, if one spouse dominates, the other suffers. An alternative thesis would work. While imagery of freedom in one story contrasts sharply with the imagery of imprisonment in the other, Chopin and Gilman use similar protagonists and settings to convey a shared outcome. Both women experience a tragic end. One finds freedom only in death, and the other in total insanity. Your thesis should clearly suggest a comparison and contrast approach to your topic. This is a comparison and contrast paper. List several points of comparison and contrast and give us a reason to care about your analysis. The first or second sentence of each body paragraph should be clear, a concise topic sentence, or main idea of the paragraph. Think of writing body paragraphs as a repetition of these steps. Make your point the topic sentence. Provide evidence or an example to support that point. Details from the story, poem, or play. Explain how the evidence supports the point and how the point is related back to the thesis. And wrap up your paragraph with a sentence that reminds the reader of your point or connects back to the thesis.